What's up, y'all? It's your girl Pretty Down Nick, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, today I'm gonna be doing a wig install. This is my third time doing a wig install, y'all. And I have not been posting because I don't really know what to be posting, but I'm gonna be I'm gonna start posting for y'all. And before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for whenever I post a video. So yeah, and my social media will be down below. So yeah, get into it. Okay, y'all, so y'all see my face. So I had to go back in and fix the part because it was too far up my head and I did not like it. So yeah, I had to fix it. right here, I just went ahead and did my edges off camera because it took me a while to get them how they is. So yeah, I just did them off camera. Yeah, and this little light piece that I'm touching, it was getting on my nerve, so I had fixed that towards the end of the video. So right here, y'all, I had to take some black spray off and go ahead and fix the part again because I had messed it up with the black spray. Y'all, I did not like how this braid came out, so I went ahead and took it out and redid it. Y'all, I had changed the braid again, move it over some. Yeah, I like it better right there. But yeah, it's my first time doing this style. It came out really cute. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. Bye.